Hi, welcome to this video. To edit and export high quality 4K videos in CapCut desktop, you must import your clips, tab the video in the timeline, head over to Smart Tools to enhance your video, including auto frame, right? Retouch to enhance beauty in various aspects, remove background if you need to, and also camera tracking, make your camera follow through movement. Relight, enhancing the lighting in your videos effortlessly, and add a dynamic camera movement to your videos, and of course optical flow, which makes your video smoother by generating intermediate frames, right? Next, you're gonna head over to effects, right? Which basically you can use it as a way to make your video look more modern, right? So if a clip or scene needs some kind of effect, you can go ahead to the effect here and choose the one that fits that content, right? Or that topic or whatever. Next, the filters. Filters really help with enhancing the video quality and make it more cinematic, more in if you shot this video outside, then you could like make it more summer like video or make it more winter like video, or it really depends on the mood that you're trying to connect with the audience. So you can see right here summer vibe, the featured, right? You can use velvet, dreamy, right? So this is more like cinematic kind of views here for your video. So you don't need to click on it. You can just go ahead and put your mouse in that filter and it's gonna appear right here automatically, right? If you like it, you can just go ahead and double tap and the effect will appear right here. So consider liking this video, subscribe it, and after you're done, you just hit export at the very top right. Right? I'm gonna wait for a few moments here. Sorry for that, but my PC is kind of slow. Hit download. Hold on. Export again. I don't know why it closed. Hit download right here, and of course, select the quality, right? In my case, 1080p, but in your case, you could choose up to 4K if you record with 4K camera. Consider liking this video, subscribe it again, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Until next time, see you.